Well, good Sunday, everyone. Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And you can see we will likely close the weekend with plenty of sunshine, just a few clouds developing this Sunday afternoon over downtown Marshall right now. And the reason for the return of the sunshine and the rather hot temperatures, a large area of upper level high pressure, which is built back just to our north across much of Arkansas. You can see the center of the ridge centered just to our north. You can kind of see that clockwise circulation around the ridge's center here. And with this ridge so close to us, it will pretty much eliminate any hope of seeing any rain for the next several days. Eventually, it is going to move more towards the west. Pretty good trough will develop here across the upper Midwest and Great Lakes. That'll move towards the east as well later this week. That's going to push a cold front through the Arklatex, which will bring us our next best chance of rain late this week. Until then, hot and humid and dry, the theme. As we look at Robin's Toyota Futurecast, you can see that tonight we're going to see a mostly clear sky across the Arklatex. As we go through tomorrow, expect a mix of clouds and sunshine. Very little hope of seeing any rain. Futurecast indicates a spotty shower possible over the northern edge of the area, but if you get that, it's going to be bonus rain. Most of us will stay dry tomorrow. Looking at a mostly clear sky for the most part tomorrow night, and for Tuesday, once again, plenty of sunshine with just a few clouds mixed in and nothing as far as rain. Let's talk about that next chance of rain, and you can see as we look at the longer range pattern here, take you out for the next week and a half. And you can see the upper level ridge to our north. Again, the darker reds indicate where that ridge is strongest. It's going to stay very close to us for the next several days, hence the lack of rain and temperatures up close to 100. As we go into the end of the week, that upper level trough, you can see it moving across the Midwest. By Friday, I should say the Great Lakes, by Friday it'll be moving into New England. The associated front, you can see the showers and thunderstorms associated with it, will move into the Arklatex and bring us that chance of rain that will begin Friday, probably reach its peak Saturday, and then probably decrease as we look ahead to Sunday. And then as we head into the beginning of next week, the ridge will build back towards the west, and that's going to result in the result of basically plenty of heat and nothing too much more as far as rainfall. Now, the latest on rainfall potential models are kind of split, and I think this is probably an indication of the scattered nature of the rain which is going to be possible. As we often see big variations in rainfall totals this time of year, given the scattered nature of the rain, we could see totals at many locations of less than a quarter of an inch, maybe as little as a tenth of an inch. And we also could see rainfall totals in a few spots that are between 1 and 2 inches. So if you need some rain, keep your fingers crossed that you're one of the lucky ones and get some as we progress our way towards the weekend. Meantime, tonight, we will close this weekend with a mostly clear sky. Temperatures will fall at most locations into the upper 70s, right around 78 degrees for the low temperature tonight in Shreveport, 79 degrees in Texarkana. Tomorrow, expect to see a partly cloudy day, highs in the upper 90s to close to 100. The heat index could approach 105 in spots, so take it easy in the heat once again tomorrow. You can see the 100 degrees tomorrow in Texarkana, 99 in Shreveport, 99 also the high temperature in Natchitoches. And really no significant change for the rest of the week, at least through Thursday. Highs will stay close to 100. You can see highs will likely dip back into the low to middle 90s as we head towards next weekend. Lows will kind of settle into the middle 70s as the rain begins. And then we close the 10-day period with the return of some sunshine as daytime highs eventually heat back up into the upper 90s. So once again, plenty of heat for the work week, but as we head towards next weekend, we'll see that chance of rain return as it begins Friday, reaches its peak Saturday, and likely comes to an end next Sunday.